Most people send boring emails that nobody really pays attention to. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional email template that makes your email look clean, modern, and more professional, and that will also get click. Most times you send email, you don't really get click. And the best part is you don't need to be a designer and you don't need any coding skills to do this. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own professional email template that you can reuse anytime you want to send email for marketing, newsletter, or whatever you want to use it for. Okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Latin Man. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating a professional email template that looks great and work perfectly. So if you want your email to stand out and look more professional, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. So before we go in, join us on Telegram. You will see our link here, and we drop tutorial updates and make money online stuff and whatever you need. Also, we hold your hand if you need help. All right, let me not explain too much. So what you need is you go to your, to your browser or your Google. When you get to your Google, you click go to google.com. Google.com. Click on email template. So if you go to image, you're going to see some email template here. All right. So if you're actually into affiliate marketing, you can do affiliate marketing email template. You're going to see some here. All right. If you're into digital marketing, you are going to see some also here. All you need to do is edit. And then if you actually want to clone a company email letter, this is for educational purpose. Let's say, let's say fraud email template. And then we're going to search through and see which one actually looks more great. Okay, look at this one. This one is good. All right. Let's check another one. This one. Let's check another one. This one is Microsoft. Look at this one. Okay. Look at this one. Look at this. So this one is cool. It's cool, right? Let's see. So I click on it. So we're actually going to recreate something like this. All right. It's easy. Any of them you want. You can just find some sample. All right. You can find some sample, and you need to do is you actually go to let me go to your browser and look for Snapping tool. Go to your browser, look for Snapping tool. Click on one, and then click on new. All right. So we have agreed that we're going to recreate this one. So click on new, and then circle, snap it like this. You can see everything on it, right? And then you can go to your ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever, and then come here, use Control-C, Control-A, Control-C to copy it, and come to your ChatGPT, click Control-V, that's paste. All right. So you now give it a prompt, say, help me create HTML professional email template like the one attached. Make it stand out and improve the design. You can see the what I gave it. So I'll change this professional. I say, help me create HTML professional email template like the one I attached. Make it standard and improve the design. Click on enter. So it's actually generating one for us. Yeah. So it's done. So when it's done, you copy there and go to your sender. Okay. And then click on HTML. Put your code here and then preview and see what it looks like. Okay, this is what he created for us. All right, this is what he created for us. And then here is where you can add your link. All right, so if you are attempting to hit inbox to that and it's not hitting inbox, join us on Telegram. We normally go live on TikTok. You're gonna see how to hit inbox with that and how to improve it. So this is how you can create a professional email template. So don't forget, join us on Telegram and take care of yourself. Bye. Hit the notification button in case I drop something new.